Howdy guys, we're just here relaxing in the sofa bed here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, it's not too hot.
This week we are back on the lovely Gold Coast. We spent a sun-filled day by the epic Palazzo Versace swimming pool, where we take in the marvelous leisure and relaxation opportunities that the hotel offers. We try out pina coladas and laze away the hours in blissful peace. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good morning guys from the sunny Gold Coast. Finally the day has arrived where it's sunny, beautiful weather. We woke up nice and early today at 7 AM. We thought we'll just straight away get up and go to the pool to beat the crowd basically.
Yeah.
And we've done really well. There's hardly any people around, although it is midweek, it's Wednesday, so probably a little bit less people than normal.
Yeah.
Something like that. But this is the pool.
Yeah.
So we are lucky, obviously we've got a choice of beds we can pick and enjoy the space basically.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
It's really nice, like 24 degrees, not hot, just a beautiful day.
Yeah. I could easily just lay down here and go to sleep, I reckon.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it would be nice to have a pina colada, perhaps.
Oh yeah. Now you're talking.
Also, it is early morning. We haven't had breakfast yet. It's not even 9 AM yet, so perhaps a little bit later in the day.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Just stunning. Just loving it. Wish we had, you know, another couple of days with this gorgeous weather.
Yeah, it would have been handy, I reckon.
This is our last day, and at least it's last day with great weather.
Yeah, lucky for us.
Lucky for us. I'll see you shortly. Howdy guys, we are in the pool. The water is actually freezing.
It's not that bad, you get used to it.
Yeah, it hasn't actually warmed up yet. Apparently sun is coming out at 11 and it's only 9 AM, so yeah. Because of rain in the last couple of days, obviously, it didn't actually warm up. So yeah, but it is quite a cool pool.
It's a very cool pool.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Yeah.
Trees and everything's going on.
The whole box and dice.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see you shortly. Gonna enjoy the pool. So yeah, we're in the pool guys. Local time is 9 AM. So the sun is just coming out pretty much and it feels warm. It's only 24 degrees. I mean, it's warm, it's nice. It's not too hot, which is really good. So yeah, we're planning after that, we're planning to go have brekkie and then lunchtime we're going to the beach, so that's going to be cool. And in the evening we're going to explore the city a little bit, and then hopefully we can go to the restaurant, because last night we felt so tired, so we didn't actually end up going unfortunately, but we'll try tonight. So yeah. Howdy guys, we're just here relaxing in the sofa bed here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, it's not too hot, it's not sunny actually. Yeah, so it's really enjoyable here, not too many people. Nice breeze.
Nice relaxed atmosphere.
Yeah, it's very relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, totally recommend coming midweek.
Oh.
Because you're gonna get more attention and you're gonna get basically just to yourself.
More space.
Yeah. Yeah. So really happy.
Really jolly.
Yeah. I wish we were staying for another couple of days of sun, but
Yeah.
you know,
No such luck.
not such luck. Yeah, unfortunately 2 days we just completely washed out pretty much. But we were glad like when we went to Brisbane yesterday, at least we did that.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a complete waste.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really nice chill day and happy to be in the Gold Coast.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Hi guys. Guys, we are back from the sunny Gold Coast in the Palazzo Versace. So we just grabbed pina colada. That was $24.50. So I guess it's pretty reasonable cost.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So it's now 10 AM and it's heating up. It's 27 degrees.
It's
now.
heating up.
It's pretty warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. The pina colada is really nice. It's keeping me cool. Really nice.
It's a nice pina colada.
Yeah,
Lucky
sometimes
duck.
you don't get it that nice.
Yeah, yeah. Some guys have
Yeah.
a skill.
Yeah. But this one is nice. I'm gonna give some credit for that. Yeah, so we're just gonna chill still and enjoy the nice weather and our last day in the sunny Gold Coast. Talk to you soon. Cheers.
Bye.
Hi guys, we're back. We're at famous Havel Avenue.
So,
Enjoy warm weather,
oh yeah.
sunshine. It's 6 PM and now it's a perfect opportunity to see Gold Coast and